Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This comes in a white exterior with a beige interior. Blind spot assist. Come around to the back here. Got the 4MATIC Mercedes-Benz and GLC 300 badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Premium Burmester sound system throughout the vehicle. Rear seats. Quick look up front. We have memory heated seats, the driver's seat controls here, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel. Mileage on this vehicle is 53,133, and we have a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz navigation system, radio, and backup camera. Shifter, climate control, and center console. And if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.